This is the week all around the world that students celebrate Hour of Code, where they learn about computer programming. And computer programming is basically a language where you're writing directions for the computer or an app or a game in order to work. And so you guys are going to do an unplugged activity with paper and pencil today. And so I wanted to kind of explain it. So this one's already done for us. And basically what I want to explain to you is that we have some numbers here, and the numbers represent whether the block is going to be left blank or whether it's going to be filled in. Now the thing to know that is that every in this program, each one of them is going to start with the blank squares first, and then you have your filled in, and then blank, and then filled in. Okay, so here we have one blank, 3 that are filled in, and then followed by a blank. Again, 4 blank, and then 1 filled in. This one here is a little bit trickier because we start with the blank ones. If I actually want to start with one that's filled in first, then I put a 0. So I'd have 0 that are blank, I have 1 that is filled in, then 3 that are blank, and then again 1 that is filled in. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like on pencil and paper. So here's a paper and pencil model that I started, and notice a couple of things. First of all, I started off, I counted just to make sure how many squares there were. There was 18. I don't know that that's important, but I wanted to do that. And earlier I was talking about whether they're blank or they're filled in. For me, I just went with white or black here, but basically I was labeling each of the different columns. So on this first one, if I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there were 6 blank ones. And then there was 5 of them that were filled in. There was 2 more that were blank, and then 3 that were black or that were filled in. And then after that, they're just empty, and that's okay. So the other one I want to show you is down here. Now remember that the first one is going to be blank or white, but if it has a 0 there, then we go to the next one, and it had 1 that was filled in, and that's what that represents there. So then you'll see that I kind of crossed them off as I went along just to help myself. Then I had 3 that were blank, 2 filled in, 5 that were blank, 2 filled in, and then the rest were empty. Now when you do pencil and paper, you always want to have an eraser handy just to erase any stray lines. But hopefully you'll enjoy this, and if you ever want to write your own code in this manner for others to try, all you have to do is kind of draw out the picture and then write the coding on the side.